Electric vehicles can be charged faster than traditional gas vehicles. An electric vehicle charger can be installed at home, providing convenience and flexibility. Become an electric vehicle charger broker today and earn $9,200 per sale. Give away electric vehicle charging stations with zero money down. Promote electric vehicle stations that can make the owner up to $5,000 a day. No experience is needed. 11 million electric vehicle stations are needed by 2037. Earn up to $9,200 per electric vehicle multi-family or commercial sale part-time or full-time. Limited time founder offer. Please, click the link below to learn more. Thank you for watching. Please, like and subscribe for more. And share with your friends. They will, thank you. Electric vehicle chargers are more energy efficient than traditional gas vehicles, reducing emissions and saving money. Electric vehicle chargers are safer than gas vehicles, as they have no risk of fire or explosions. Electric vehicle chargers are more reliable than gas vehicles, as they require less maintenance. Electric vehicle chargers are quieter than gas vehicles, reducing noise pollution. Electric vehicle chargers are more cost-effective than gas vehicles, as they require fewer trips to the gas station. Electric vehicle chargers can be used to power other devices, such as laptops and phones. Electric vehicle chargers can help reduce your carbon footprint, making you part of the solution to climate change. Electric vehicle chargers are more eco-friendly than gas vehicles, as they produce zero emissions. Please, click the link below to learn more. Thank you for watching. Please, like and subscribe for more. And share with your friends. They will, thank you.